Welcome to the September 9th, 2011 edition of Inside Rensselaer, the video podcast about the people, programs, and events at Rensselaer Polytechnic Institute. Established in 1990, the William F. Glazier 53 Rensselaer Entrepreneur of the Year Award brings the world of entrepreneurship into Rensselaer classrooms by recognizing successful entrepreneurs and role models who share their wisdom and experiences with students. This year, Sean O'Sullivan, 85, co-founder and managing director of Avego Limited, has been selected as the 2011 Rensselaer Entrepreneur of the Year. Avego Limited is a small technology firm with offices in Ireland, China, and the United States. A world-leading company in transport technology, Avego introduced the groundbreaking shared transport iPhone application in 2008, as well as the all-in-one in-vehicle ground passenger transport management system Future Fleet. O'Sullivan will deliver a keynote address on October 21st to students, faculty, staff, past recipients, business leaders, and members of the surrounding community. Timothy Sams, former Associate Dean of Students at the New York University Abu Dhabi campus, has joined Rensselaer as Vice President for Student Life. Sams is an experienced leader, student life authority, and senior administrator. Prior to joining NYU, Sams worked for 12 years at Swarthmore College, serving as Assistant Dean of the college and Director of the Black Cultural Center. While at Swarthmore, he also served as a class dean and held a number of administrative and leadership positions. 3 Rensselaer professors of chemistry and chemical biology have been named 2011 Fellows of the American Chemical Society. Professors Kurt Brenneman, James Crivello, and James Moore have been recognized by the ACS for their outstanding achievements in and contributions to science, the profession, and the society. Kurt Brenneman is currently the acting department head of chemistry and chemical biology and the director of the Rensselaer Exploratory Center for Cheminformatics Research. James Crivello has been issued or is pending more than 23 patents since joining the Rensselaer faculty in 1988 and is widely recognized for inventing some of the world's most advanced polymers. James Moore seeks to develop new materials that advance discovery in biotechnology and microelectronics. His work also strives to develop greener and more energy-efficient materials by using waste products to develop new polymers. Nanomechanics and multiscale modeling expert Katalin Picu, professor in the Department of Mechanical Aerospace and Nuclear Engineering, has been named a Fellow of the American Society of Mechanical Engineers. The ASME cited Picu for his significant contributions to the field of mechanics of materials. A new technique developed at Rensselaer allows researchers to collect large amounts of biochemical information from nanoscale bone samples. Along with adding important new insights into the fight against osteoporosis, this innovation opens up an entirely new proteomics-based approach to analyzing bone quality. It could even aid the archaeological and forensic study of human skeletons. Results of the study, led by Deepak Vastish, professor and head of the Department of Biomedical Engineering, entitled Biochemical Characterization of Major Bone Matrix Proteins Using Nanoscale-Sized Bone Samples and Proteomics Methodology, were released online in late May by the journal Molecular and Cellular Proteomics. Scientists at Rensselaer have found that when just 10% of the population holds an unshakable belief, their belief will always be adopted by the majority of the society. The scientists, who are members of the Social Cognitive Network's Academic Research Center, used computational and analytical methods to discover the tipping point where a minority belief becomes the majority opinion. This finding has implications for the study and influence of societal interactions ranging from the spread of innovations to the movement of political ideals. The researchers are now looking for partners within the social sciences and other fields to compare their computational methods to historical examples. A select group of Rensselaer undergraduates in the School of Science spent their summer in the labs of science faculty working on some of the most pressing scientific issues facing society, from the search for new medications to the hunt for the origins of our planet. To support opportunities for undergraduates in the lab like this, several alumni and their families, as well as friends of Rensselaer, have created endowed research funds, specifically to help support undergraduates in science who wish to stay on campus over the summer and do research. This summer, 5 students took part in the summer undergraduate research program. The taste of Southwest cuisine has made its way to the Rensselaer campus. Known for its popular Welcome to Moe's greeting, pop culture-inspired menu and atmosphere, Moe's Southwest Grill will host its official grand opening on Wednesday, September 14th. The venue, located on the corner of 15th Street and College Avenue, is a Sodexo-owned franchise that now resides in the space that was formerly home to Java++. Moe's offers a plethora of meal options, including burritos, tacos, quesadillas, nachos, salads, and fajitas. Individuals can choose from more than 25 fresh ingredients, such as grilled chicken, steak, or tofu. In addition, there are meals for kids, beverages for adults, and free chips and salsa with every meal. Rensselaer students, faculty, and staff will receive a 10% discount at Moe's when showing their Rensselaer ID. Rensselaer officially welcomed members of the class of 2015 and introduced them to the local community through a week-long program of welcome events and team-building activities known as Navigating Rensselaer and Beyond. More than 100 activities organized by staff, departments, and student clubs were offered. Some highlights of the week included overnight trips to the Adirondacks in upstate New York, volunteer opportunities with local organizations such as the Habitat for Humanity, creating a mural to support the Troy Alley Action Project, and interacting with a number of student clubs, including musical and dance groups, the RPI Players, Terra Cafe, Formula Hybrid, RPI Ambulance, Rensselaer Crew Team, the RPI Rugby Football Club, the Rensselaer Aeronautical Federation, and many others. Members of the incoming class also participated in the annual greeting at the 8th Street Approach, where President Jackson greeted and shook hands with each member of the class. They then headed down to Blitman Commons for the annual Welcome Fest, a free communiversity celebration featuring live entertainment, arts, and crafts. The NRB program was supported by more than 400 student, faculty, and staff volunteers. And that's it for this issue of Inside Rensselaer. For these stories and more, go to www.rpi.edu/about/inside. Thanks for listening.